we got a parcel. It's for the car again. So this is the light, third light for the Polo Mark 4. Let's unbox it and see.
Five minutes later.
So it's fully blacked out as well. And that looks too big for my car.
That's what she said. Or he said. Huh?
Yeah, that definitely looks too big for my car.
What? I mean, he said that. That's what he said. He really said that. That's what he said.
What you guys want to do is open your boot. So this is a Mark 4 Polo. To change this light, mine only two of them works. You're gonna have to open the boot, unclip these, and you can use to unclip them. You can use these tools here. You can use this to pry into it. You don't need to do it too much. Just so you can get a screwdriver into that one, and that one. And what you want to do is close the boot, not fully shut it, just close it, and just open this up, and it should be out. And you got a wire here. Just open it up like this. And that's the old one. To open this up, you can just unclip these and then change these LEDs for lights. Get the new one. Test it before you fully screw it in as well. That goes in. You see these pins inside. They need to be readjusted. And it should be fully in, and this should lock in. And now you go test it. works, and now you just need to tighten it up. If you can, stick a bit of tape or something so it's easy to screw in. All you want to do is try to put these back into their spots. Before that, make sure it works again. There you go, they work, so you can put everything back together. So these are LEDs strips, not small bulbs. You can order them on Amazon. If you want, I can put a link in the description.
Bust it.